and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, oh my god, I am so excited. I am going to be unboxing the August 2020 Look Incredible box. Guys, this is my first month with Look Incredible and I'm just so excited about it. Now, I will be honest, I had a little bit of a glitch. So I purchased this box. It's £35 per month. And then I looked at my bank account and I'm like, ooh, I'm a little bit poor. Somehow I've spent like extra money. Now what has happened is Look Incredible has actually taken 2 payments from me. It was like some sort of a glitch or an error on their side. So they actually sent me 2 August boxes. So I have emailed them to rectify this and they have responded really quickly and said just send the box back to us and we'll refund you the money, which is fine. So obviously I opened them both up to see what was within the boxes, to see if I had a July one and an August one or 2 August. Now I did have 2 August. I don't know how that problem happened, but it did. But the customer service was really great that I did receive in regards to it, really fast and really get to help, you know, rectify it. Now, I will be honest, I have already unboxed this, as you can imagine, because I had to open 2 boxes to see what had happened and if I had 2 August. So I did unfortunately see the content of what was in the box. That's not a problem. I'm glad I did, because there was a hell of a lot of bubble wrap involved, and honestly, we would have been here all week. But I can honestly tell you guys, I'm super impressed. This is a subscription box I've been dying to try, and oh my god, I already can't wait for next month. So if you want to see what I received in my August 2020 Look Incredible box, please go ahead and just keep on watching. Can you even cope? My little leaflet that my dog has quite literally chewed it. Talk about that excuse, my dog chewed my homework. Honestly, if I was in school right now, she would. She absolutely would, just for fun. Now, the first product that I received in this box, it is by a brand, I believe it's pronounced Mimi, but it might be Memai or Memi or Mimai. I don't know, I'm going with Mimi. It's M-E-M-I. Now, the packaging is just really nice, just this basic silver packaging with black detailing. And we did receive a highlighter from these. Now, this is a brand that is not unusual to see in subscription boxes. I've had products from these in the past from other subscription boxes. I actually got one just last month from a different subscription box, but this is a different colour. Now, this highlighter retails for £15 and it is in the shade Euphoria. This is what it looks like. It's this gorgeous mirror packaging, but unfortunately, you know, fingerprints are going to go everywhere on it. That is life. But we open it up and it is this gorgeous, beautiful gold shade. I will just swatch that for you now. My hand's a little stained because I did just film my glossy box unboxing. It is that gorgeous gold highlight. Now, I do feel this would be more suitable for our guys and gals with deeper skin tones. This is way too dark for me personally, but I could get away with using this as a highlighter. And I do also believe when I've got false tan on, so not right now, that I would be able to wear this as a highlighter. I do think it will put a little bit of a cast on my skin, so it would maybe be something I would wear more on my nose and on my inner corners, but it's definitely something that I can't wait to give a try. The next product that we received is a mascara. This is from a brand called Perricone MD. Now, I personally have never heard of this brand before, but my mum has. She said that they do really good skincare, but I was oblivious to it. Now, this mascara retails for £25. Like, that is pricey for a mascara. Now, it doesn't tell me any details about it, so I don't know what to expect from this mascara. There's like no booklet. We literally just find out what the products are and nothing about them from what I can see. So I'm gonna just pull that out. Is that black? Or is that brown? Oh no, it is black. this is what the wand looks like. This typically isn't a wand that I personally would use. I quite like a chunky wand. However, this looks like this would be really great for lengthening your lashes. So again, it's something that I will definitely have to give a try. Now, I think this is quite exciting. This is what I like about subscription boxes. If I seen this in a store, I wouldn't pick it up because firstly, I don't know the brand, and secondly, the price point would put me off straight away. So what I love about a subscription box is you pay a set amount and get all these different products that you probably wouldn't try beforehand, and it can introduce you to some really amazing brands. Like, if I love this, obviously I will be checking out more products from this brand and seeing what else they have to offer. The next item that we have, it's by MAC. Like, what? MAC is in a subscription box? Oh, beach. Like, I love MAC. So this is a retro matte liquid lip colour. This is the packaging. I've actually always wanted to try these. Now, this retails for £19 and mine is in the shade Cafe Au Chic. Don't know if you know right pronunciations. Cafe Au Chic. Is it French? Au Chic? Cafe Au Chic? I don't know. I'm trying to get it as accurate as possible. Probably butchering it. This is the shade I got. Shall we be real? I hate it. I hate it. Look at that colour. Does that look like a colour I would ever put on my lips? No. It is so cool tone and ghoulish and just not for me. That is so disappointing. Always wanted to try these, and this is vile. Someone out there somewhere in the world will love this colour, and I think it's absolutely disgusting. This is what the shade looks like. It is just a super it's a super duper cool tone brown. It just looks like, I don't know, you know the word ick? I-C-K, ick. Ick. If ick was a colour, that's what ick would look like. So upset with that. I got my hopes all high. I was thinking it's going to be a gorgeous nude or a nice peach or a nice pink or even a red. But no, the word ick in a shade is what I received today. Do you know what? Oh, I'm so livid because that is such a horrible, disgusting colour. Like, comment down below who like this colour. Do people out there actually like these types of colours? I'm not someone who likes these types of colours, and I don't think I know anyone who, like, honestly, I don't think I know anyone who likes these types of shades. If you do, out of curiosity, like, let me know in the comments if you like these types of shades and what it is about them you like and how you pull them off, because I look like a vampire when I wear colours like this. Like, cool tone shades on me just look absolutely horrendous. Like, someone's probably looking at this thinking, oh my god, that is me, that is up my street, that's gorgeous, and I'm looking like this thinking maybe I'll wear it for Halloween. Impressed with the fact that we got a £19 MAC lipstick. Like, that is impressive. Just wish it could have been better, and you can bet your cotton socks that I'll be watching everybody's August 2020 Look Incredible videos to see if they got a better shade than me, and crying myself to sleep about it. Do you know what? The next product's going to make up for all of this, okay? The next product is what is going to help me sleep tonight. I'm shook by this product. I'm like, sorry, what? What are you doing putting this in a subscription box? This product on its own is worth £36, so £1 over the whole value of the subscription box, so everything else was an added bonus. This is the Too Faced Life's a Festival eyeshadow palette. I've already took it out of the box because I was too excited. Are you ready for this packaging? Are you actually ready? I got it. It's a rainbow. I just can't even. It is the girliest, most gorgeous thing I've ever laid eyes on. That is unbelievable. I actually love it. Like, I actually love it. Look at that. It's actually like laid out. Excuse me. It is literally laid out like a rainbow. Why have I ordered? What the hell? Buy my own whilst I'm talking. Come on, Ellie, get it together, huns. This is stunning. Let me just... I can't even. The holographic packaging inside too. But then these colours... Shall I swatch some? I'm going now. I love this. They are buttery. Look at that shade. It's called Artist Pass. Now, I love this type of shade. I have like loose pigments that are similar. It's that duochrome between a brown and a blue. I just think they are dreamy. Then we've got Dusk Teal Dawn. Get it? Dusk Till Dawn. Dusk Teal Dawn, because it's teal. This one, oh my god, that is stunning. Sorry, what? Oh my god, fireflies. I'm like, where do I get the best lighting? How can you see? I love that. I love it. I love it. What's this? Fun in the Sun. Okay, wow, that's unique. Oh wow, that is like a duochrome again, but it's like green and yellow and gold. That's stunning. Wow, that's an impressive duochrome. I've never seen a shade like that, and I already want to smother it all over my eyelids tomorrow. Then there's Euphoric. Oh, this looks like the melon pigment from MAC. That is, honest to God, that is like melon pigment, but in a shadow. So it again is a duochrome, but it is like a pink with a shift of orange and gold. That is exactly like melon. This palette's amazing. There are so many cool duochromes in here that I love a duochrome eyeshadow. I think they're really fun. I'm speechless. So with today's Look Incredible box, I paid £35 in total for it. Yeah, for a subscription box, that is on the pricier end of the spectrum, but is it worth it? Yeah, I mean, yeah. You can't get like bougier brands with the Look Incredible one, and all in all the retail value of all these products together was £95. I mean, I'm super impressed, I can't lie. I'm really blown away by the things they got, especially that Too Faced palette. I'm impressed that we got a MAC retro lipstick in there. I hate the colour personally, but if it was a nicer colour, this box would have been banging. It's me throwing a little tantrum over the colour. You know what? We'll make use of it though. We will whip that out at Halloween and we'll smother our lips in it. We will get use from it. It will not go to waste. It's not going to be lashed on a back shelf. We will bring it back out at some point in our life. Apart from that shade not being what I would have liked, honestly, I'm so impressed by this box. Like, I've opened it and I'm just like, when's September's box coming? Because I can't wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can hit the one over here, you can hit the one below, or you can hit the one in the form of my big face at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for joining me again, and I will see you guys in the next one.